Let's get straight to the meat of this. The new royalty regime was a clear headwind for the business. How is that going to affect your ability to reach financial break-even?
Good morning, first of all, and thank you, Yusuf and Tracy, for that interview. Let me first just highlight the performance of that quarter. Mobily continued to grow its revenue for the 7th consecutive quarter to reach $3.3 billion in Q2 2019. With a year-over-year growth 15%, this mainly attributed to the growth of revenues of the business and wholesale units. The growth of FTTH also on the active base. And the continued growth and have a better mix of subscriber base. In addition, the company also...
Salman, sorry,
yes.
It's Tracy Alloway here in Hong Kong. I just wanted to press you on Yusuf's point, which is, when do you think you might be able to break even financially? And also, I'm sure there are a lot of people in the market who would also like to know when you will resume dividend payouts as well.
We've already, for the third quarter, break even. And cannot be expected. We cannot give a future expectation and guidance on the company performance, but we can say that we are committed to achieve the objective of our current strategy, which will improve the financial and operational performance. The company also focus on maximizing the customer experience and maximizing the shareholder returns. So we're, as I mentioned at the beginning, that this is the third quarter where we have, a positive net profit. And will as per the strategy and what we are following on our own strategy, we will continue performing.
Salman, telcos are a defensive sector. The Saudi economy has been struggling to regain proper momentum from years past. How would you describe the health of the Saudi economy? What are you seeing in the numbers?
Let me talk about the telecom industry, which is my own area. I believe that based on those projects and the vision of 2030, we've started to see a lot of projects, and there is a growth, and there is a potential for the telecom operator to grow on this industry. So what we can see in the vision of 2030, the telecom industry are impacted by those changes and those mega projects that give an opportunity for the mobile operator and to grow. So we can say that the mobile industry have a very good opportunity to grow through the digital transformation projects that we start to see all over, and there is also one of the strategic pillars on the Vision 2030 is a digital transformation, which will give a very good opportunity for the mobile operator to grow on that area.
Right. Salman, I wanted to ask you about your share price. I'm looking at your stock right now, and it's had a fantastic 2019, except over the past few days. It's really come down quite a bit. What do you make of that, and what could you do to boost value for shareholders, as you just said you want to do? Could you, for instance, consider selling off those mobile towers?
To care about the mobile towers is an option that is already under we've already started to study that and that option, but it might take time. But we are considering that option, and we're evaluating that solution. Overall, we believe that continue performing and having an organic profitability will have a big impact on the share value, and
sure.
Also cash flow, continue the cash flow that will bring will impact the share positively.
Salman, to build on what Tracy was just talking about, what else could catalyze additional revenue for you in the next year or two? I mean, you are dealing with the new royalty regime from the government, so arguably you're open to new ideas, maybe expansion, maybe new product lines. What's being discussed?
Well, first of all, 5G is a technology that could also contribute and will be the next generation. That an opportunity for revenue growth. B2B is also opportunity for the growth. There is, mobile financial services also an area where we can grow. IoT, Internet of Things, that could also. So all these areas are a very potential area for growth in the future. And Mobily already start their own strategies and plan on these areas to grow. So as we said in the beginning that Mobily will continue looking for the growth opportunities, and the strategy of the next 2 years will be all around the growth, and it will also build in a way to have more focus on the new opportunity and the growth opportunity.